Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we'll be talking about instant Slack notification and Google Sheets lead logins. For instance, someone sign up on your Typeform, type in their details on your Typeform. Okay, it says your first name, they submit a form, email, what this workflow does is that it will automatically grab their information submitted on your Typeform or any form. It can be Google form, Typeform, Tally form, any form. Once it grabs the information, it automatically log in the details on your Google Sheet or your CRM to automatically log in their information and send you instant Slack notification and send you instant Slack notification. And send you instant Slack notification saying new lead captured, the name, email, and the role. So today I'll be leading you and teaching you how to build this step by step. So stick with me till the end of this video. So let's build. To complete this workflow or to create this workflow, we are going to use a free tool called n8n. So if you don't have any, I suggest or recommend you sign up for one. So let's dive in. First, we will set up our Google Sheet column. So here we type in first name. Here will be the email and role. Perfect. Since our Google Sheet is set up now, we are going to now that our Google Sheet is set up correctly, what I want to do now is to go back to n8n canvas and add our first node, which is the trigger node. I'll add Typeform. Oh, this I have connected my account. If you are to complete this, you need to add your account. So since I've connected my account, let's dive in. Then I select my Typeform. Since this is correctly selected, I will now execute this step to test the trigger. So I will click execute. Now it says listening for test event. What I want to do now is to go to my Typeform and submit event. Submitting event means adding details, just like someone signing up on your form or on your website form. So I will hover over to my Typeform to add details for the sake of this tutorial. Here on my Typeform, I will add says first name Cajethan. Just see this as the lead signing up on your website. Email, then rule, hit submit. Now that you have created your event, or the let's now that you have created your event, what I want to do now is to go back to n8n. You can see that the event has been fetched. I love renaming my workflow, so what I want to do now is to rename this, call it the intake or lead intake. And also I also pin. So since we have added lead intake, what I want to do now is to add the second node, which is the sheet Google Sheet node, and the operation I'll be using is I will use append or update in row sheet. The reason why I like using this append or update in row sheet is that it helps monitor your Google Sheet and make sure no duplicate information is created. Imagine a lead signing up on your website like 2 to 3 times. This helps to make sure their information is not recorded on the Google Sheet. It only keeps one information about them unless they change their data, especially their email, which I'll be showing you how to set it correctly. So here now we have to choose from the ID. So here we'll be searching by my document ID, which is the sheet ID, the Google Sheet ID. So simply I'll head over to my Google Sheet and grab my ID. Grab my ID, come back to here and paste it in. So I'll be searching this by ID also. I'll head over to my sheet and grab the sheet ID. Let's see, this is version. Now, here is where you select the column to match. This will help to keep your Google Sheet very clean, and it will avoid duplicate. So here we'll be checking on email, just like I said earlier. Then we map from here. This is name, map name to here. Email, map email. Then row, add to row. What I want to do now is to execute this workflow. You can see the output has been organized. So we close this. And rename our node. So I'll call this one as simple as add row. Next, I will pin pin the node. Now we'll be adding the final node, which is our Slack node. Reason why we are using this Slack for this workflow is that you don't need to you don't have to stress yourself all the time opening a Google Sheet, refreshing your Google Sheet every time just to see who signed up on your website or on your phone. So simply because Slack is very accessible and you can use it from you can download it from your mobile phone, carry it around while you walk around, and also it receives message directly. Like once somebody sign up on your website, this will help you get notified easily. So for this, you can use either use your WhatsApp, Telegram, Discord, or whatever, but I prefer using Slack. So we add our operation here, our action will be send message. So Slack is a very nice tool and you can try it as well. So here we select channel. Now on the channel we select by ID. So to get this channel ID, you head over to your Slack. On your Slack, you choose the channel you want to use. Here I'm channel. I named it new leads. So to grab the ID, hover over here, open your channel details, scroll down. You can see the ID here. Copy it. Sorry. Then paste it here. Then here you will type, I will type. This is where you enter the message that you will receive on the channel. I'll say new lead capture. I will say, I'll give this name. Okay, so now I'll say email. Then I will say pro. Now that this is properly set up, what I want to do now is to execute this workflow. You can see This has been set up. So we head over to our Slack to see if this information has been set to the Slack. So we just simply pin this, head over to Slack. Perfect, it has been sent. And here it says new lead capture, name, Cajethan, the email, the role. So now the three nodes has been collected, and I will simply rename this to alert because it's sends instant alerts to me once a lead is signed up, added to the sheet. Then I will get instant alert. So finally, what we wanna do now is that we can just enter. You can't just open n8n all the time to check if new lead has been signed up by clicking execute workflow all the time. Simply, we place our workflow on autopilot. This is your set and forget machine, and this will run automatically once someone sign up on your website. So you simply, to place this on autopilot, you simply click publish and publish your workflow. This helps you so that once somebody signs up on your website, this will run automatically. So I simply add my tutorial tag, rename my workflow to instant Slack alert. Perfect. Now everything is set up. So you can go back to your Google Sheet. Maybe I should refresh the Google Sheet to see. You can see that the details has been added properly. You can see details has been added properly. Then you go back to your Slack. You can see the information has been sent. So the workflow we just created is working properly. Now for you, my viewer, I want you to build this workflow this week. Use it on your website and tell me how you feel about it on the comment section. Also, write down the next workflow you want me to create as I prepare to meet you on the next build. As always, peace.